Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Nextdoor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off notifications for certain posts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor. Then click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner. Next, click on settings. Then go ahead and click on notifications. Now on this page here, click on posts and you can essentially customize which notifications you want for different types of posts. So you can turn these off, or keep it on, or keep these on. But that is essentially how to turn off notifications on Nextdoor. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.